loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm always welcoming in new subscribers, always happy to see you. So today I wanted to do a cielphantomhive subscriber special for reaching over 100 subscribers. Thank you everyone who contributed. I'm really thankful and grateful that I've made it so far this past, I think, 2 years. I will be putting timestamps below for anyone who's interested in only watching the announcement, my intro, or my makeup, and I will break it into sections so it's a little bit easier for you loves. I will also be doing bloopers at the end, so if you want to skip to that part, you can, but I will see you loves later. I have a huge announcement to make, loves. I will be actually leaving the Black Butler Amino community. I have also enjoyed sharing my works on the platform as well as showcasing my talents, abilities. I honestly believe that everyone has a place to shine, and if you're more inclined to working on Amino or showcasing your abilities and talents, I support that. I think it's time for others to shine, and I think me leaving the site has also encouraged me to grow as a person and individual. A huge thank you to all my Amino supporters on Black Butler. I've really had a fun time. As much as I enjoy and love it, I think it's time for me to continue on my journey. This will actually be my final post for the BB Amino community. To those who will miss my content, it will be available on YouTube, Instagram, as well as my new blog that I will be sharing with you loves. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or concerns in that matter. Again, this is of my own free will. This is what I'm choosing on my path. And I will still be active in the community, but I will not be posting as much. I just want to update you loves in case you wonder why my Amino hasn't been active or why I'm not responding to texts in Amino. I am currently not online, but I will be online for checking up on things and stuff, but I won't be active in the community anymore. That means no cosplay posts for me, as well as no more writing. So I hope that you understand, and I will get started right into it. you.